Hey, how's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in. This is Path to Wellness, and if you're new to my channel, I eat a plant-based diet for the last 11 years. I practice intermittent fasting, and I like to exercise. So that's what my channel is all about. I got a few workout clips. I'm going to talk about my workout a little bit today, and I'll show you what I'll be eating as well. So I went to the gym today at around 10 a.m., and I like to work out fasted. And right now I'm strength training 3 days a week. These are some weighted pull-ups, and my workouts are pretty simple right now. I do 5 total sets, full body movements. So in this workout, I did a set of pull-ups with weights, and then as soon as I couldn't go anymore, I dropped the weight and I did a little bit more, and that was my first set. My second set, I'll show you what that is in just a minute. But as I said, I like to work out fasted, so I drink water throughout the morning, and I usually break my fast around 1 p.m. And I'll typically finish eating around 7 p.m. So I eat in about a 6-hour eating window, and that's just how I've been doing it for quite a while now. And my second set, I did a bench press movement, and then as soon as I couldn't do any more, I went to do some push-ups. So since I'm only doing one set of each, I'm going as hard as I can with weights. Then I drop the weight and I do another, I continue with a movement with no weight. My third set, I didn't record any more of my sets, but my third set was a leg press machine. My fourth set was chin-ups with weights. And then my fifth set was weighted dips. So that was it. 5 sets. Took a few minutes rest in between each set, and I went really, really hard. And that's really all it takes. I'm doing that 3 days a week right now, and I'm also running 2 to 3 days a week, and I'm taking 1 to 2 rest days. And again, all of my workouts are fasted, and generally around 10 a.m., 11 a.m., sometimes at noon. So for my second set here, my bench press, I did as much as I could with the weight, and I went straight to push-ups, and I was pretty spent, so I wasn't able to do too many push-ups, but I wanted to max it out as much as possible since I'm only doing one movement of each of these moves. And real quick, before I show you what I ate today, I want you to check out my recipe ebook. It's in the description box. These are some of my favorite recipes that I eat regularly that keep me fit and healthy all year long. So make sure you check that out. So my first meal today, I had at about 1:30 p.m. I went down to the Deschutes River to go in the water. It's super beautiful here in Bend, Oregon, especially in the summertime. It's my favorite time of year, and I brought some fruit to break my fast. I had watermelon, strawberries, and cherries, and I always recommend starting off the day with high water content fruit. It's a great way to start the eating for the day. Then at about 3 p.m., I made this delicious smoothie. I call it my date almond smoothie. I had about 7 or 8 ripe bananas frozen. I thawed in hot water for 5 minutes. And then I had a couple tablespoons of cacao powder. I had 4 soaked dates, and I had a serving of this raw sprouted almond butter. It's super delicious. Oh my gosh, this is like the secret ingredient I found recently. It's this sprouted raw almond butter. It's not anything like I've ever had. If you can find this brand, it's called JEM, and I can't recommend that enough. Throw that in your smoothie, and it's super delicious and very satisfying, and it tastes amazing. So this is a big banana date almond smoothie. Then at around 6 p.m., I made this salad. It had a bunch of greens. It had cucumbers, tomatoes, and avocado. It had some barbecue tofu and an avocado. I ended up heading back down to the river on my e-bike, and I had this big salad at around 6 p.m. at the river. Super delicious, super beautiful day. And then at 7 p.m. I was still a little hungry, so I had a couple pieces of Dave's bread with some peanut butter and bananas. I had 2 of those slices. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.